Respected Sir and Honorable Members, in continuation of the statement made by me in Lok Sabha on 10th of Feb and in Rajya Sabha on 7th of Feb, I would further like to update the Honorable Members on the present situation related to the outbreak of novel coronavirus disease and the actions taken by the Government of India. As mentioned earlier also, coronaviruses are a large group of viruses that cause illness in humans and animals. Rarely, animal coronaviruses can also evolve and infect people and then spread between people, such as has been seen with severe acute respiratory syndrome in 2003 and Middle East respiratory syndrome in 2014. Since reporting of an outbreak of novel coronavirus in China on 31st December 2019, a large number of cases have been reported across all provinces of China and other parts of the world, including India. WHO has named the novel coronavirus disease as COVID-19. As on 4th March, a total of 80,270 confirmed cases and 2,981 deaths have been reported in China. Though the daily confirmed cases and deaths have shown a downward trend in China, still new cases are being reported from Hubei province and Wuhan city, the epicenter of the outbreak. A total of 12,857 confirmed cases and 220 deaths have been reported outside China from 78 countries including Hong Kong, Macau and Taiwan. Among these, 30 countries have reported local transmission also. World Health Organization has declared this outbreak as a public health emergency of international concern on 30th January 2020 and raised the level of global risk to very high on 28th Feb 2020. Though WHO has not declared COVID-19 to be pandemic, it has asked the countries to remain prepared. It is worth highlighting that India initiated required preparedness and action at field level since 17th January itself, much before the advice from World Health Organization. Once a person is exposed to the infection, the disease may develop any time between 1 to 14 days. The main symptoms of novel coronavirus disease are fever, cough and difficulty in breathing. All suspected or probable cases of COVID-19 must be treated in isolation with barrier nursing and universal precautions to prevent the further spread of disease. In our country, as on 4th March, a total of 29 positive cases have been reported so far. Of these, 3 cases were reported in Kerala earlier, who have since recovered and have been discharged already. Since last 3 days, new travel-related cases have tested positive. These include one in Delhi, having travel history of Italy, and one in Telangana, having travel history from Dubai and contact history from person from Singapore. Both are clinically stable. 6 more cases have been tested positive in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, having contact history with the case in Delhi. Required action as per cluster management plan has been initiated. Further, an Italian tourist and his wife have tested positive in Rajasthan. 14 other accompanying tourists in this group and their Indian bus driver tested positive on their return to Delhi. All of them are reported to be stable. A recent positive case has also been reported in Delhi yesterday, having a travel history from Italy and is stable. The ever-increasing magnitude of this outbreak globally calls for a concerted effort by not only the health department but all sectors of the government. Honorable Prime Minister is personally monitoring the preparedness and response on a regular basis.
नेशन वन की खबरों के अपडेट के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, पसंद आई वीडियो को शेयर करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा जानकारी के लिए लॉग इन करें www.nation1.tv पर। अधिक जानकारी के लिए आप हमें ट्विटर, फेसबुक पर भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं। तो खबरों की ज़्यादा जानकारी के लिए बने रहें नेशन वन के साथ।